Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you know what? An absolute beautiful day it is here in Shrewsbury today. That's the view that we've got. That's actually the view we've got every day, because that's the view out of our front window, bedroom windows, front office windows, everything. Absolutely beautiful. Feel really privileged. And now we've got an even better view as well, because just to the side of the view we've got the motorhome. So we bought a motorhome October last year it was, and we've been doing different things to it, and the idea is to kind of go for adventures with it, with the kids, and the dog Bella, and we've been to a few different places already, but then things start to go not wrong with it, but things we needed doing, like a complete replacement of a rotten floor. Yeah, that definitely needed doing. We started us doing other things as well, finding other things, sealing things and stuff like that. But then we needed to do some extra work to it, so that's what we started doing. We started doing little extra things, and you've seen some of the things in the shorts and on the last video. So what I'm going to do now is show you where we're at. Okay, but well, actually, before we do that, let's show you some of the things that have been going on between now and previously. The gym is now a workshop. A workshop I never wanted, but a workshop. Yay! Yay! This will be a seat for two and storage underneath, and part of the pull-out bed in the motorhome. Go on. And here they are, the artists' renovation to the van that we didn't want to renovate.
Non-renovated renovating.
Yeah, that's it, because we didn't have time to renovate. Hey, darling. Next job, let's get underneath, and you can see the job after that is sort that out. But the next job is to get underneath and get some blackening done on it, just to protect the wood from rain. So we're going to give this a try. Put 2 cans. I'm hoping 1 can will be enough, and I can send the other one back. I'm hoping most of it doesn't go all over me. So let's give it a try and see what happens. Turns out 1 can was definitely optimistic. However, probably got more of it over my fingers, to be fair, than I have on the van. But that's the job done. A little bit left in the can, probably half a can. Ready for oh god, look at my hair. Ready for next year. Okay then, job done. Come to start the van this morning, and oh dear.
Oh god, that wire won't fit.
So we're going to get chance to use our new thingy that has power stuff. That has power. Yeah, that has power stuff in it. I don't know.
We should change the name of the channel to Clueless Motorhome.
Yeah, I suppose so. Ooh, we've got a green light.
Yep.
Green light at the Oasis. Is that a different song? That red light.
Red light.
Ah, right. Well, we don't red lights at the Oasis.
Okay, now what do we do?
I think we just wait. I don't know.
Ooh!
Press boost.
No, let's hang on. We're pressing any boost buttons when I've got my hand on the air. That's not the easiest to clip onto.
Stand here for the next half an hour, your hand there.
Oh, yeah, you're funny, aren't you? Midnight.
Midnight. No, well, I'm thinking of red lights.
We should really read instructions before we start doing stuff.
Never mind instructions. Right then, let's give it a try. Maybe we need to wait longer. Okay. So, it's good news. £75 and a new battery later. We have a motorhome that starts. All good news. So all we've got to do now is get the inside finished and get some more journeys done. So I've walked into the motorhome this morning and, well, cupboard doors off, bathroom doors off, cut the actual storage doors off, the skylight and the lights are all taped up. What the hell's going on, love?
Painting, love.
Painting. What are you painting then? What's going on?
Well, after doing the front last week and seeing how well that's turned out, I thought I haven't got enough time and I've got too much to do.
Yeah.
For everything else.
I always say you got loads of time on your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought, why not just paint the rest of the motorhome and make it all nice and homely.
Yeah.
And pretty and nice and bright and not 1990s looking.
Or even 1970s, to be fair.
Yeah, it was a little bit grim, wasn't it? So yeah, so at the moment I'm just priming everywhere. I'm going to do the ceilings because once again I haven't got enough on my plate. So ceilings getting done.
What colour is that going to be? Black,
that's gonna be
pink?
That's going to be white. White.
Phew. Okay then.
And getting all the carcasses done. The cabinets are taken off this morning. They're in the garage ready to be primed. So I'm just going to do all of this, let this dry, get a coat on the ceiling and then prime the cupboard doors.
Perfect.
So hopefully
hard work.
Some point this year it'll be done.
Hard work for some of us.
Yeah, it's really hard work holding onto the camera, isn't it?
You know, I'm really kind of, you know, I'm
embracing it, aren't you?
I'm embracing my previous roles as manager and supervisor.
Yeah.
I'm using my skills to kind of watch over the real workers doing things. I'll show you the front of the van, but well, that looks a bit of a mess at the moment because the back of the van's in the front. But there you can see some of the colours. There's the floor, but you can see things are coming on a little bit now. Won't go into the bathroom because the bathroom's half hanging off from still got to put the taps together and the shower together back from the leak we found. But as you can see, guys,
the leak which started all of this in the first place.
the leak which started all of this in the first place.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Leak
Yeah.
from the tap.
From one little leak becomes great work.
Soaked the floor,
That's a new saying.
which then meant everywhere.
Okay then. So we'll catch up with you soon. And hopefully things will have moved on. She'll have had all the cupboards painted, all the cupboards back on, the ceiling done. So we'll 10 minutes, yeah. Let it be known that we do keep our workers happy. Yeah. Yeah, babe.
Oh, thanks.
Okay.
I thought it was going to be a beer. Right.
Beer. It's a bit half an hour early for you, isn't it? How are we getting on? All right. No problem. Looking good. Okay, I'll leave you to it on that note. Morning everyone. Okay, so two differences you notice about today. Well, one, blue skies have gone, the clouds are here, and it's windy. Two, it's cap day. The hair's an absolute mess, needs cutting. Looked at the video yesterday, thought, wow, hair needs sorting. So today is cap day. So what we're going to do today is, well, see what? Let Issa tell you everything about what we're going to do today. Yeah, you can talk.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Speak.
Hello, everybody. So today we're going to look at the motorhome stuff again. What are we going to do, Issa?
We're gonna paint the motorhome inside a little bit, and then we're gonna come inside and play a little bit, and Mum's gonna get changed and paint the motorhome again.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone. So we've now moved on to painting the back of the motorhome.
Yes, Mum.
So we've decided to do the ceiling because when we did the front, we saw the ceiling looked really grubby. So I'm doing the back first while there's no floor down. So I've got one coat on so far. I'm just starting to do the second coat on all of these parts, which is the same material as the ceiling, which is like a fabric-y kind of material. I'm not really sure what it is. So for the ceiling, I've just been using some Dulux pure brilliant white. I googled to see what kind of paint you need to use, and it's a water-based paint. So that is going all on the ceilings, right the way through the front as well, and underneath the cupboard parts. Then the actual carcass of the cupboards is going to be the same as what we've got in the front. So, does on there say cornflower white there? So that's a really nice fresh colour.
There's really white on it.
So that's all of these parts of the cupboards.
Grey white.
The cupboard behind where Craig is, and all on the walls as well.
Mum.
And then for the cupboard doors, I have pretty pink. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to do the toilet door with that colour yet, or whether it'll just look too much. So Issa wanted purple, but I picked pink. So
And there
which
she
one do you
is,
think would be better,
our new
pink
little
or purple?
YouTuber.
Dad. I'm videoing myself and Mum is videoing on her own.
Everyone, so this is the final video of this weekend. Just want to give you an update. Look at the difference on the ceiling, what it was and to where it is now. So what have you been up to, babe? Tell us all about it.
Painting.
Painting.
Lots of painting. So I'm onto the second coat now of the walls and all the cabinets, so it's starting to look much more solid, the colour. So I think I'll only need to do one coat more, and then that'll be it. And then cabinets, the cupboard doors will be getting done next,
Yeah, and
then the ceiling in the front.
the ceiling in the front.
Yeah.
And we're just waiting for the new upholstery to arrive.
Oh yeah,
Put that together.
all the different.
And one day again soon, we'll be back on the road. On the road again.
Hopefully, yeah.
Alright, so that's us. If you've been watching the video, thanks. If you haven't been watching the video, well, anyway. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. It really does keep us going. Well, keeps Leslie going anyway. I've just got to hold the camera.
Definitely.
Alright, thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye.